everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to use Amazon points for Kindle books. To use Amazon points for Kindle books, first of all, open up a web browser on your mobile device or your computer and then type in amazon.com in the URL box. After doing so, you will be taken to the official website for Amazon. Log into your account by using your login credentials, and after you are signed in, use the search bar at the top of the main home screen and type in the name of the book that you want to purchase. You can also simply type in Kindle Store in the search bar and then visit the Kindle bookstore and look for the book that you want to purchase. Select the Kindle edition for the particular book you are trying to purchase and then scroll all the way down. Make sure that the Kindle option is selected on this area over here, and finally scroll all the way down and tap on the Buy Now button. You can also choose the currency of your choice and then proceed with the buying option. Now in the Place Your Order page, scroll down and look for Add a gift card or promotion code section. Enter your Amazon points code in the designated field at the bottom, and after you do that, click on the Apply button. After prompted, enter your shipping and payment information and then click on Place Your Order in order to apply Amazon points to your Kindle book purchase. If your point balance is greater than the cost of the book, the remaining balance will be applied to future purchases. That's how you easily use Amazon points for Kindle books. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.